everyone, welcome back to my channel. Donna here. Excuse my bad hair day. I went grocery shopping this morning and it was lovely when I went in the store and pouring when I came out. So I have a rainy day hair due today. But that doesn't make any difference. We can still play in the craft room and have fun. So what I'm going to be working on today is a centerpiece for my coffee table in the living room. It's a fairly large coffee table, and so I'm making a fairly large centerpiece. And what I'm going to be using is one of my Santa Clauses, and a handmade one, and a candle, and a swag. Now I'm going to be doing a double swag centerpiece for my dining room table, but I won't be putting that on the table. We'll probably work on it in another week or so. But I'm not going to put it on the table until after Thanksgiving because I'm hosting Thanksgiving. And I'll have most of my Christmas decorations all up, but I'll leave the table as a token to Thanksgiving until that evening or Friday. So for today, I'm just going to be working on the coffee table. Now, I have no idea what I'm going to do. It may come out fine, and it may come out like, forget it, and we'll try it again another day. But let's give it a try. You know, you never know what's going to happen until you start playing around. So I'm going to bring you down to the table, and we'll work on our centerpiece for the coffee table. Right back. Okay, you're a little far away right now, but I wanted you to be able to kind of get a view of most of what I'm working on because the swag is quite long. Now I have this sitting on a tray right now, and I'm not going to try to hide the tray necessarily because it's basically just for transporting so I can get it back upstairs. So what I'm going to be using is this Santa Claus. He's beautiful. And he's handmade from Anna Paul doll. It's signed by the person who made it. And I'm going to set him down here. He will sit on the coffee table when he gets upstairs. Now let's see what I can do here. Kind of hard to work on such a big piece here. Okay, I think you can get the idea. Now I have taken the swag and I'm bending it around the Santa on the end. And we're just going to bring them up. And then on the other end, I'm going to have this candle. And this is the candle we got quite a while ago, if you remember. And like I said, don't worry if you see tray because that's not going to stay there when I get this upstairs. And I put new batteries in the candle, so that should light up nicely. So I think what I want to start with is making a bow and a couple of streamers. So let me do the streamers first. And I'm going to use the same red ribbon that I used for the Christmas tree because it's in the same room. I didn't cut that very pretty. Okay. So what I'm going to start with is just creating a couple of streamers. Now I'm not planning on gluing anything, hopefully, because usually I have to cut this over here only because I won't see it if it drops down in that tray. Here we go. I'm going to wrap this around. Give it a couple of good twists. And this is heavy wire, so it takes a little extra. So now I'm going to start one over here, and I'm just going to wrap the wire around one of these branches, just like we did with the streamers at the top of the tree. We'll do the same with the other one. And that way it lets you manipulate the streamers easier than having to keep moving the bow. So we'll put that one over here. So now what I'm going to do is just kind of see if I can give myself a little I don't have to worry about this scratching my table because my table is glass and it won't hurt it. Now I'm going to leave that sticking out, so I think what I'll do is dovetail the end of it here. Okay. See what we can do on the other side. Another one. I have to turn them around a bit here so I can see the end of this ribbon. Find it. Okay, there we go. Now let's see what we have here. We have some of these picks. Hey, we're winging this, folks, so I haven't even cut off the tags. These are Dollar Tree picks. And they've got some really nice ones. I'm going to spread it out a little bit, get some mileage out of this. That looks pretty. And we've got another one. This one has an apple. Again, this is a Dollar Tree pick. Oh, and they put this price tag around the whole stem. How not nice. Now one would look nice standing up over here, I think, if we can make it stand up. Hey, not bad, not bad. Okay, I got one more here. Folks, sometimes they're so easy to get off, and other times they make you work for it. Look at these. These are pretty. I have a couple of these little ones here. Now this one I think came from Walmart. And it actually has a little clip on it, so I'm just going to clip it right onto that. It's cute, and it has some logs in it. And I think I've got another one. Where shall I put it? Oh, don't like that. Put it the other way around, maybe. There you go. All right, let's try making a little bowl here. I don't want it too big. We're going to do it like we did that tree topper one. No twisting. I'm only doing this because I didn't have enough glitter yet. Oh my word. And the funny thing is, I look at my husband and he's got glitter on too. Because anything he touches has got glitter on it. Oh, too big. Too big, too big. Wait a minute. Get on there. And let's see. come up here, and I'm going to put it right up here, and it's going to cover the two, and I can't push it down any further so you can see it, I'm sorry, but I will get you so you can see it all. Let me see if I can lift you up just a little bit. Well, folks, I think that's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, I'm going to put one more little thing right in here. Got this little berries. Seems like there was a little hole. So there you go. Absolutely gorgeous. Won't that look pretty when the lights are all out and it's lit up at night? This little bugger does not want to go where I want it to, but I'll make it. I'll win. So I'm going to take this up and put it on the table and bring you with me. So hang in there. We'll be right back. Well, there you go. And I still have it sitting on the tray. I haven't taken it off yet. But you can see. And I'm going to stand up here so you can get a better view down on it. It's really, really came out good. And we'll look from this side. Come around this side, Santa. Let's see what we can see here. Isn't that pretty? It really, I'm pleased, very pleased. So look at that. I mean, this is totally ad lib. I had an extra swag, and all of these things will come right out, so we can use that for something else, and they'll all pack away nicely. But in the meantime, they're very pretty. So there you go. There's the coffee table centerpiece. And if I back up, oh, let's see, I'll go this way. The tree's over here. And you can see it makes a nice statement with my wreath up there. And the tree on the other side. So give it a try. You could do the same thing if you wanted something round with one of those little round wreaths you can buy and decorate. Love it. I'll be back again Sunday with Super Sunday. Stay tuned. We're going to make hamburger soup. I'll see you then. Up until then, everybody play nice now. Bye-bye.